You may or may not know that exercising is essential for our overall health and well being. But did you know that it also plays a significant role in maintaining a healthy skin? That's right. Exercising goes way beyond just toning our muscles and, boosting our energy level. Exercising can also work wonders for our skin too. Hey fellow skin gang, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at exercising and its impact in maintaining a healthy skin. By the way, if you're in Nigeria and you would like to get affordable, trendy, beautiful gym outfits, I'm just coming back from the gym and um, we have very nice gym outfits. Today was very rainy, so I decided to wear something very nice. Let me get up for you guys to see. So we have things like this. We have things like this, and we have things that are even better. So if you like to get gym outfits, you don't need to be sweating and be looking tattered. So why not look fabulous while you sweat? So if you like to get affordable, trendy, and beautiful gym outfits and accessories, please follow this handle on Instagram. This is our gym outfits and accessories page where you can get all of your nice gym outfits, trendy, beautiful gym outfits that will make you stand out at all times. Okay? Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're just seeing my face for the first time, hi, my name is Selek Kalio and I am a Nigerian-based beauty influencer. I create skincare videos and I teach you how you can make your own skincare products at home and how you can maintain a healthy skin by understanding the anatomy of your skin and everything that goes on behind the scenes when you use your skincare products. So if these are things that you're interested in, then you are welcome to join the family. If you're a returning subscriber, hey best friend, welcome back to the channel. Like I said earlier, today we're talking about exercising and how it affects our skin or its impact on the health of our skin. So, why is exercising crucial for a healthy and glowing skin? Now, when we exercise, our heart rate increases, which then promotes a better blood circulation throughout our body, including the skin. And this increased blood flow delivers nutrients, that's essential nutrients, and also delivers oxygen to the skin's cell, giving your skin a natural glow and an improved or a better overall skin health. Now, sweating while you exercise helps to remove toxins from our bodies. And these toxins include the ones that are present in our skin. By sweating, we cleanse our pores and rid our skin of impurities, which then reduces the risk of breakouts, which will eventually give you a healthier and a clearer complexion. Exercise is a fantastic stress reliever. Now, when we are stressed, our body releases cortisol, which is a hormone that can wreak a lot of havoc on our skin. Regular exercise helps to reduce your stress level, leading to a healthier and a more balanced complexion. Exercising also stimulates the production of collagen, and we know that collagen is a protein that provides structure and elasticity to our skin. Increased collagen production can help to minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, which in turn will give your skin a youthful and a radiant complexion or radiant look. Now that we know or understand the importance of exercising in our skin's health or for a healthy skin, let's explore some types of exercises that specifically benefits our skin. Activities such as jogging, brisk walking, cycling, or even dancing can increase our heart rates and blood circulation, giving our skin that natural glow. There's also yoga and Pilates. I love Pilates. These low impact exercises do not only increase flexibility and posture, but also helps to reduce your stress level and promote a healthier skin. We also have some facial exercises. These are sometimes when I'm doing my facial exercise, my son will be like, "Mommy, what are you doing? Why are you beating yourself?" But these facial exercises are very important if you want to keep a youthful skin and you want to have that youthful look and you want a good circulation of blood flow around your face. So just like exercising your body, there are exercises that are specifically designed to tone the face. Some of the exercises that I like to do is when I'm applying my Botox Power Essence, which I'm going to leave here. This is the best anti-aging facial serum that you will ever use. Trust me, it stands hand in hand with your expensive brands or your high-end brands, because this product contains ingredients that are identical to your skin and also helps to replenish and produce collagen and elastin. So this serum doesn't only help to smoothen out your skin, it also helps to firm your skin, especially if you use it just like I will show you. Now, how I like to use my Botox Power Essence is after applying it on my skin, I go ahead to tap on my skin for about 5 seconds or 10 seconds, depending on how I feel at the time. I just keep tapping and tapping and tapping, just tapping around my my face, and then after that I use the same serum and I try to even out my jawline. This will help to raise the jawline. I won't have that double chin, and I do that on the both sides of my jaw, and I also use it to stretch out my neckline and also on my frown line. Now, when I say this product is and gives you an instant result, I wasn't kidding. You immediately see an instant result if you use it the way I'm showing you. And then for my smile lines, what I do is I go ahead and I do this, and this will not only help to blur out the lines, it will also help the serum penetrate deep into the dermis of my skin where I need the product to get to. So the moment you do this, you immediately see a significant result as soon as you remove your hands. Like, you can't find the lines anymore. That's how good this product is. So these exercises and so many other ones are like the ones for under your eyes. You can use this finger. I don't know if I'm sorry, it looks so you can use your fourth finger to tap under your eyes to help to also create circulation and allow the products to seep into your skin. Now, there are so many other exercises that you can do for your face depending on what you're working on. So it is very important, just as you're exercising your body, these exercises also help. Maybe I will do a separate video showing you different exercises that you can do for your face that will help with different things. There are exercises for under the eye, for the eyelid, for the forehead, the jawline, the frown line, and all of that. Now, these exercises help to tone and firm the muscles in our face. This will help to promote a more youthful and a more glowing appearance. Because a lot of you ask me, how do I, stay young, and how do I keep all of that? This is what I do. And when I tell you I use my products, I am not kidding. So just as you are putting an effort into getting a nice product, you also need to learn how to use these products to get the best results out of them. So yeah, the importance of exercising to achieve a more healthy and a more radiant and glowing skin cannot be underestimated. Now, remember that incorporating exercises into your daily routine will not only benefit your body, but will also help you achieve that radiant and glowing complexion that you have always wanted. Now, if you found this video helpful, please go ahead and subscribe down below to join the family. We will keep bringing you informations that will help you in a practical way, not just sitting down and just talking, but giving you informations that will help you achieve a healthier and a more radiant complexion. Remember, skincare is not all about just putting products on your body. It includes products, topical products, it includes exercises, and it also includes products that you take into your body, or whatever you take into your body. So that could include supplements, foods, the kind of foods that you eat, and all of that. So all these come together to give you a good result. You can't neglect your diet and expect that just using skincare products will do all the trick. The skincare products or skincare topical products can only do as much, but you also need to be intentional with what you eat and how you activities that you do to keep your body relaxed and free of stress. If you like to learn about our trainings, or you want to take any of our trainings, we have trainings for beginners, intermediate, advanced, and we also have specific trainings where you tell us what you want to learn and we will create a model for you. So if you like to inquire about our trainings, you can send us a WhatsApp message using the link in the description bar, and we will give you all the information that you need. If you would like to get any of our skincare products, please send us a WhatsApp message using the link in the description bar if you're looking for consultation where we can help you choose the right products. But if you already know what you want, you can go ahead to shop via our website. The link is in the description bar. We also will put the description to our gym wear handle on Instagram in the description bar, and also other links that you need in case you need them in the description bar. So please take time to read the description so you get all of the information that you are looking for. Don't forget to check out our previous videos, skincare routines and product reviews or product formulations for more valuable insights. Remember to hit that bell icon to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. And yeah, I think that's all about that for this video. If you have any video ideas that you want me to talk about, please leave your comments in the comment section and I will definitely answer your questions or make those videos. And if you have any if you would like to see my exercise routines, exercises that I do for different parts of my body, for different reasons, let me know in the comment section. Maybe I'll start putting out my gym vlogs for you guys to see, so you see what I have achieved. I started going to the gym very recently, but I can see tremendous results in